You're watching the unboxing of 16-channel Digital ID View DVR. And this is the accessory box. Comes with warranty papers, how to connect your iPhone or Android application, mouse, power supply, power cord, CD, and 2 hard drive cable, remote control, screws, taking out the actual DVR, in this DVR we're preparing to install 2 hard drives, we have the 16 channel right here, 16 BNC ports. We got the main video out, and we have a spot video. We got 16 input for microphones, for eSATA connection. We have the power on and off. We also have the NTSC PAL SICAM format. Of course, this switch has to be at NTSC mode for American standard. The network card right here, the LAN, USB for mouse, and the VGA connector for the monitor. And right here we have alarm connect, and the first 2 right here, plus or minus for your COM1, COM2, for your PTZ connection. I'm gonna flip it around. Right here we have a DVD CD writer, so you can back up your data on it, and a little bit of front control panel. And this USB, it's used for a front thumb drive for backing up your data. And now what we need to do, I'm gonna unscrew the cover, and so I can install the hard drive. We need to take off those 2 brackets to install them into the hard drive first. And this DVR will be installing 2 hard drives, of course, with 2 terabytes apiece. I'm gonna start with this first 2 brackets right here for the first hard drive. 4 screws, 2 on each side. installing the second hard drive, we need to bring the eSATA cable from the accessory box. Also, I'm making sure that all the cables are snapped on properly inside the DVR, so we don't have to take off the cover again if anything is loose. Okay, opening the second hard drive. We're gonna mount it very identical to the first hard drive. Make sure all the cables clear and nicely ran under the hard drive or over the hard drive without bending the cable, of course. Now we have the two hard drives installed. Fixing to put the cover back in. Of course, we start from the back, slide it back into the hard drive towards the front, make sure it snaps on. Mount the back screws first, then the side screws. Try not to miss any screws while putting up the cover. Now we have 16-channel DVR ready to be installed at the job site. Hopefully with this video you have learned how to install two hard drives in Digital ID View DVR Echo model. Thank you.